So like that we have this quality system is some other client. This is the other client production system. And generally, if you see wherever P that is production, D means development, AKP means production system. Like this is idea system. Right? So you will see there will be at least three systems. At least if it is big company, very big company like Sale, Reliance, right? And BMW, then they have more system. One more system. What pre-production system? There is a one more system here. I would say here, like this. One more system. There is a pre-production system. Pre-production system. Why like that pre-production system? Because they have uh, the processes is like that. We need while doing the quality system, we don't have the accurate data over the period of time. Suppose we implemented in 2010, and after 2010 in production system we will have the more customer data, more everything is having the good accurate data, but in quality system we don't have. So that's why there is a pre-production system. So pre-production system means what? Every month this production system will get copy into the pre-production system, and that will be available for the consultant. So now we will have the accurate data here. So then we move the these changes to here. So then from here to here, and we will do the testing here also. Once we do here, then we do the here, then here. So that is the result like this. And the sandbox system right now, many companies will have like this in one black box. But if very big company, then there will be a different sandbox system. So this sandbox system will be not here. This will be here, different system, because they have the money. So you know that now one system to purchase the one black box means one memory. They need to spend the money. So big companies will have the different sandbox system. There you can play anything. You can do anything. You means SAP consultant can do anything. They can do the testing, anything. So these are the every client will have like this. Now, any question on this one?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, let's as we are going to learn the MM. And SAP have the hundreds of modules. Out of that, we will learn. We will learn about the MM. Now, in MM, in generally in MM here in SAP, we have the subdivision. First is purchasing. Purchasing. Second is inventory management. Inventory management. Like this. Purchasing and inventory. Purchasing is a purchasing department who is responsible to procure the material. So what is the purchasing requirement is that purchase order, purchase equation, purchase order, and a contract and agreement, all this creation and comes under the purchasing department. Then once here what goods received, goods received, goods issue, and handling the product in the storage location, like this. Handling the product in storage location, that comes under the inventory management. Okay, so now onward, like in the SAP MM training, what we are going to learn, then there is a master data. What are the master data? Material master. You know that material master you are using that one. Then vendor, then customer. Now we call it these two. We call it nowadays these two we call it the business partner in S4HANA. Business partner. We call it BP. Then in info record. Like that we have the many things master data we have. So we are going to learn all those things. So then organization structure. First we will see that organization structure. Then process, organization structure, and then we will see the procurement process. Organization structure, then procurement process. Procurement process, when we start learning on the procurement process, Then we learn all the process. Like first is purchase